What is going on, YouTube? It's a little bit different setting here. We're in my living room. Micro Scale Garage here. I just got in off the porch. Just came back from GameStop. They got me with this deal of buy this little $2 bag and then you get stuff on clearance, 30% off plus 25% off whatever fits in the bag. Adrian, well, we both were kind of crying over it, but we bought this Sonic the Hedgehog action figure. And we ended up grabbing my wife one of these because she likes these little egg yolks. And I was actually in the store to get Joy-Cons from the Switch because I'm changing the case on the Switch. So, but I was actually looking for one of these. I actually found one after we bought all the other stuff. And then I picked up the blue Joy-Cons. So that way we could put the blue Joy-Cons on because I ended up changing the case over to a blue case. So I'm going to take those Joy-Cons that came with the Switch, and I'm going to change those over to a green and, I believe, pink casing that came with it. So I just wanted to pick up some Joy-Cons. So we'll have an extra pair so we can actually play 4 players. Check my tracking and stuff on the controllers that I ordered from Banggood. Man, this don't even feel like it's in a box. So, without further ado, Xavier?
Yeah.
You want to do me a favor and cut this package open, buddy?
Bing.
Yeah.
I want to.
Or you could do the next one, man.
Okay. Wait a
There you go.
minute. Because I'm gonna have to.
Oh, well, you and your tablet game is going to have to wait, buddy. If you want to cut this package open, you cut the package open. All right, go ahead, slide the... Wow, it's not even in a box. So I don't even know which controller it is. I know I ordered one of them was a WL Toys. Holy cow, there's no box at all. It just comes in a bag. Are you serious?
I got 100 stars on me.
That's how they do it at the hobby.
Look how many stars I got on me.
Yeah, that's cool. Getting them. What game is that?
I don't know what it's called, but it's some monster game.
And you have to destroy the city.
That's pretty cool. I like that. All right.
Yeah,
let's
and you can just make your own eggs if you have enough of those Z-coin thingies.
All right.
And when you're destroying, it lets you get your thing up, and if you click the thing, you can make it where the monster goes crazy, and then you can destroy faster.
Okay. That sounds sweet. Back to our controller.
Yeah.
Your game was just...
I like this game.
No, we ain't got to cut it.
Monsters.
All right, so this is the WL Toy, though. I can't even call it WL Toys because it don't even say WL Toys. On Banggood, it said WL Toys, but on the package here, it says WL Racing. Spare parts for RC models. Let's see if we can find a part number. All right, well, here we go. Here's a part number right here. K949-112.002.4 gigahertz. So yeah, this is the WL Toys one. We'll open that up in a second. All right, Adrian. And that one was the more expensive controller. That one was I think $39.99. But it should have a receiver. I'm not seeing we're gonna have to open it. Yeah, I'm not seeing a receiver box at all. I ordered a controller, now I gotta go and find a receiver box that's gonna bind to it. There's the antenna.
Dad, I can do it.
So no, wow, yeah, this is the cool one that I wanted with the LCD screen. Yeah, no receiver box. Oh, that kind of sucks. All right, we'll open that up later. That's a little disappointment for me. Go ahead, buddy, cut that one open. Be careful, don't cut your little tiny fingers.
I ain't.
All right, I'm gonna rip that open. And this is the cheaper controller that I ordered. I was gonna throw this one in the Jeep. Get it, man, get it. Yay.
I'm a beast at doing that.
Oh yeah, you're a beast at it? All right, just cut here. Cut along here. See?
I'm like, I don't need the scissors.
All right, so we just got a blank surprise white beat up box.
Yeah, no.
That's horrible.
It's not good.
Well, you know, you got to pay for advertising and stuff, so it's cheaper if you just have a blank box. Here. Alright, in this controller, we get a receiver box, so.
Giant bubble wrap.
This is the Turbo Racing controller. I remember looking at Banggood laughing.
Don't whip all the bubble wrap. I need bubble wrap.
Here's our part number. And here's our receiver box.
Oh.
Alright, let's go ahead and open up that other controller. I mean, I
Look
don't
at
see a
this.
receiver box in it, but yeah. So this
It's still
one,
my turn to cut.
what happened? The staple got you?
Yeah.
Alright, go get a, that's a nice filling controller. Full size controller.
Which is that
Still
for
my
the
turn to
Jeep?
cut.
Yeah, we're going to use that one for Jeep.
I'm still cutting the bag.
No, you ain't got to cut the bag, buddy. Look.
I want to cut the bag.
Uh-uh.
Can I cut this open? Okay, I don't need the scissors. That's cool.
Oh, I hit the button. Sorry about that. But it's got a display, LCD display on there.
And some bubble wrap.
I guess. I don't know. Is that supposed to just be, it's like a fake display. Don't
Okay.
that kind of look chintzy?
Yeah, it looks
Let me
weird.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
I mean, it's a good feeling controller. I like this rubber side.
Feel
These
up
are
here.
Ogs.
Feel right here.
Can I feel it? Oh,
Yeah,
that
you can
feels smooth.
Feel it. Open up the bottom. Let's open up the battery tray. Maybe they stuck the receiver box in the battery tray.
Or not.
No
Yeah.
receiver box.
And it just
All right.
it gobbles up
No, this one
battery.
goes with this one. All right, so that's gonna be the two Banggood controllers that I ordered.
And
Where's the
that's-
giant bubble wrap?
I gotta go in.
Where's the giant bubble wrap?
I gotta go and order a receiver box for that controller, and
Yeah, and we need
I'll write a
box of
review
bubble
on
wrap.
that. Because on the package it said it came with a receiver. But all right, you guys, like, share, subscribe. God bless, and
Hot
I'll
bubble
see you
wrap.
guys in the next video.